It's Jack Carmody here today. Just want to make a quick video. I work with a lot of men who have been caught. Their spouses have caught them with something. Sometimes they've been caught in an addiction. Maybe that's pornography, maybe that's gambling, maybe that's drugs, alcohol, maybe that's cigarettes, maybe that's vaping. Maybe they've been caught in an affair. Maybe it's a physical affair, maybe it's just text messages or Instagram DMs. Doesn't matter what it is, they've been caught and they're trying to figure out what to do. They're trying to rebound from this. They want to heal personally. They want to heal their relationships. And one thing a lot of guys try to do, and it's makes sense. It's our gut instinct is to whatever we've been caught with to try to minimize it, keep anything else surrounding that from coming to light. And so if I've been caught doing something, try to make sure nothing else comes to the light, and try to hide as much as I can and minimize the damage. Sometimes this could be coming from a good place. Sometimes that could be, I want to hide this to keep my spouse from feeling pain. She's devastated by this, and rightly so. I want to, she only knows half of it. I want to keep that rest of that hidden because I just don't want to cause her pain. Obviously, there's something noble about that, and it could just be from self-preservation to know that, if you disclose the full story, everything, there's no way the relationship would survive, or just the embarrassment and the shame that could come from that. So anyway, there's all sorts of reasons why men would want to hide the truth. I just want to tell you from my experience, that almost never works. So I would encourage you, if you've been caught, obviously this would work both ways, but I work with a lot of men. If you've been caught doing something, the best path is to come clean completely. Full disclosure, which is going to be hard in the moment. That is not a pleasant thing. But if you don't do that, I'll tell you what will happen. Most likely is, if you've been caught doing something, your wife will have her eyes on you, and her radar will be up. And if there's other things going on, she is going to find them. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but she'll find them. And then now trust has been broken, infinitely worse than it was before. So, again, you may think you can keep it under control. You may think you can hide everything and whatever. It almost never works. And if you come clean partially, or stuff kind of trickles out of the initial breach of trust, very hard to come back from. So I would encourage you, men, go against your instincts here. And if you get caught doing something, just confess it to her. And for the good of your relationship and the good of yourself. What does Psalm 32 tell us when David has unconfessed sin? He says he felt it in his bones. It's not good for us. It's not good for us. So men, if you get caught, and women too, if you get caught doing something, come clean completely. In the short run, that's very hard. In the long run, it's the only way to rebuild trust. So I hope that's helpful. Out for now, and we'll see you guys next time.